Rashid thought $1 a day is no way to get ahead. What if I start with $1 on day 0 and double my dollars each day? That means I'd have $2 on day 1, $4 on day 2, and $8 on day 3. I'd come home from work and say, another day, another double. Let d of t be the function that models this situation. Represent d of t with a table, graph, and equation. Okay, let's start with the table. We're going to have t and d of t for time in days and dollars as a function of time. Okay, so I'm actually going to create the table here first. So on day 0, he said we're going to have $1. On day 1, we're going to have $2. Day 2, we're going to have $4. And day 3, we'll have $8. Could go a few more. 4, we'd have 16. And 5, we'd have 32. And you can also define this here. I'm going to make the table first. I'm going to make my x values here of 0. Oh, gotta get rid of that thing. Okay. 0, 1. Oh, did I have 0 yet? Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I'm going to define the function before I type it in the table. If I think about what's happening here for my equation, my d of t is equal to, it looks like these are powers of 2. Like this is 2 to the first power, and this is 2 to the second power, 2 to the third power, 2 to the fourth power, 2 to the fifth power. Like that. And then this would be 2 to the 0 power. And so these zeros and 1, 2, 3, 4, these seem to match. So it looks like I actually have 2 to the t power. And over here, that would be equivalent to saying, let's do f of x equals 2 to the x. Now I'm going to graph these points right here. I'm going to do f of x. And let's check those points to make sure they match our table. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. And yes, those are on my graph right here. Okay. So now I can plot. If I think about my graph here, it only goes down to 0. So I could probably get away with an axis pretty low down here. And then I don't need very much here on the left side. Could probably go here. And then I don't go very far. When I get to 5, I'm already up at 32. So maybe I could go by 2s here. I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I have to get up to 32, I might consider going by maybe 2s. 2s could be good. So this would be 2, 4, 8, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Okay, so and 0, 1, which would be right about here. 1, 2 would be here. 2, 4 would be here. 3, 8 would be here. 4, 16 would be here. And then 5, 32 would be up here. Okay. Oh, I think I actually did this wrong. Hey, let's redo this. This should be 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Okay, there we go. So now we can do this again here. Still have 1, 2, 2, 4 is good. 3, 8 is still good. 4, 16 is now here, and then 5, 32 is now up here. That makes more sense. Okay, so now we can connect with a curve. Starting here. And actually, if I kept this going, it'd probably go out there. So I'm gonna kind of like that. All right, so now I've got our graph table and equation all set.